Do you remember this childhood sweet that used to glue itself to your teeth? In Nigeria, we call it Baba Dudu. It is soft, chewy, and it's so good. Today, I will show you the easiest way to make authentic Baba Dudu from scratch using just 2 ingredients, which are sugar and coconut milk. Simple, nostalgic, and very tasty. The secret of getting the best and real Baba Dudu taste is patience. Low heat is your best friend here because once the sugar burns, the taste changes completely. You go in with half cup of sugar as I said before, and you allow it to dissolve completely. Then you add 3/4 cup of coconut milk. When you add the coconut milk, you stir it continuously. These are important things to note when making Baba Dudu. To know when your Baba Dudu is ready. The mixture becomes thick, stretchy and glossy. It starts pulling away slightly from the pan. It looks a bit like caramel, okay? Another way is if you want to do a drop test, you can put it in a cold water. If it becomes chewy and it doesn't dissolve, know that the toffee or Baba Dudu is ready. I grew up in the north and this Baba Dudu is one of my favorite snacks. It was so cheap then. I don't know, I think it's 1 naira or 50 kobo. Then you just get a roll, hang it on your neck like a chain, and you are good to go. It tastes so good. This reminds me so much of, my childhood. I hope you do this for your kids or you just have fun and just make some. It doesn't take time. Very, very easy to make. Just follow the step-by-step recipe. And remember, when it starts pulling out from the pan, like it's doing right now, you can see it is ready. And that is it. Homemade Baba Dudu with just 2 simple ingredients. It's soft, chewy, rich, full of childhood memories. If you didn't taste this Baba Dudu growing up, feel free to try it. Toffee is so good, like, I'm not exaggerating. Honestly, when we are growing up, I didn't know this thing is made with just 2 ingredients. I know people are adding a lot of things now to eat, spices and all the rest, but you see this one, this still remains the best taste of toffee. Natural sweetness, very simple to make, just the 2 ingredients and you are good to go. If this video reminds you of growing up, tell me in the comments what you used to call these sweets in your country or what they call it in your tribe or where you are residing. I'll be checking everything in the comments. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, hello, I am Ijeoma. In this channel, I make Nigeria food, authentic Nigeria recipes, food, drinks, snacks, and all that. I remind you of your childhood memories through food, snacks, and delicious forgotten recipes. Feel free to subscribe to this channel if you like what you are seeing. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the absolute best. Thank you, stars. Thank you so much for sticking to me and thank you for supporting this channel. Okay, I deeply appreciate. Let's continue with the video. You can use any nylon of choice to wrap this toffee, but for me the best thing remains this food wrap. You can use moi moi wrap, simo wrap, or any wrap, but you have to pull it to make it stretchy. I hope you remember this when you are wrapping your Baba Dudu or toffee. We have come to the end of today's Baba Dudu recipe. Don't forget to like Subscribe and share this video with someone that needs to test nostalgia today. See you in my next recipe. Bye.